Okay, what we have here is a cultivator head that got loose. I don't know if you can see that wobble. And the easiest way I've found is just drilling a hole through the handle. It needs to be far enough down that the tang from the head doesn't interfere. Put some wire through it, and this wire probably came from the handle of a 5-gallon bucket. Drill the hole through, and you have the center of the wire here. You bend it upright, try to get this angle as tight as possible. Then with a pair of vice grips, start wrapping this around. This side's much tighter and more uniform than the other. And after the first one, you can get a better estimation, but the idea is you use a pair of vice grips so you have a nice firm grip. You wrap it around, and that'll hold it and prevent it from falling off. This can work for other tools like pitchforks and rakes and so on, but it's a cheat that can help a tool last longer. Hope that helps. Bye. For tips like this, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, ask any questions. I'll try to get back to you quickly. Thank you. Bye.